Hi and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is a brand new Audi Q5 2.0 TDI 40 Sport S Tronic, which we now have in stock. It is a brand new vehicle, which means it does come with 3 years warranty and also 3 years roadside assistance. If you like what you see, please give us a call for more information on 01785 899 424. So we do have the LED headlights. This vehicle is Quattro, meaning it is 4-wheel drive. Round to the side we have got the 18-inch alloy wheels. Also comes with the exterior styling pack, which includes the roof frame and window trims in this stunning aluminium. Moving on to the interior, you'll notice the twin leather seats, very stylish, and we've also got a fold down armrest there as well, perfect for those long journeys. Taking a look at the boot now, there is a electric tailgate, so from one push of a button the tailgate will open and also close. The boot itself is a 520 litre boot, approximately 13 carry-on suitcases can fit in here. Plenty of room there for your shopping, the golf clubs, or the kids' push chairs. If that wasn't quite enough room, then the back seats do fold down, giving you that extra space if needed. And it does come with the electronic folding door mirrors, which are heated as well, perfect on those winter days. So the headlining is in silver, which looks absolutely stunning, and also the inlays in the aluminium rhombus. So here we are at the controls. This vehicle does come with central locking. All 4 windows and the mirrors are electric. Here we have the multifunctional steering wheel. Using these buttons on the wheel, you can control what you see on the cockpit display. So whether it's information about your vehicle you want to have a look at, flick over to your media, which is currently on the DAB digital radio, meaning there's plenty of choice of things to listen to whilst you're on the move. You can connect your phone up to this via the Bluetooth. And finally, we do have a navigation system. And if we hit the view button here, we can make the screen a little bigger for yourself. So you can actually personalise it to have it you want it to look. Over to the right, we do have the volume control. And just above it, the take calls and reject calls for your phone as well. Down to the left, the paddle for the cruise control. And then in the centre of the car, we do have the main display. It's the MMI, which is a multimedia interface. This is all touch screen. You know, a wide range of things on this, including selecting which radio station you want to listen to. You have the navigation, where you can zoom out, zoom in and scroll around. You can connect this up to the Apple CarPlay and also Android Auto. And the media, so whether that's music off your mobile phone via the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a USB stick you want to plug into this USB port. We do have several in this car, so you have the options. And then if we go into the car option, Audi Drive Select, this is basically how you want your car to perform, like the stiffness of the steering wheel and the thrust of the vehicle as well. There's off-road, dynamic, comfort. There is also a rear parking camera on board, perfect for when you're trying to get in those tight car parking spaces, and also front and rear parking sensors as well. Just below it, we have the climate control, where you can set various temperatures within the vehicle. There's a passenger, also the driver. The passengers in the back can set their own temperatures as well. And the 2 front seats are heated, really helpful on those cold winter mornings. As we drop down, we do have a listening compartment. So this car is keyless, so as long as you've got the keys with you, just hit the button and the car will fire up. As mentioned, this car is automatic, dead easy to use. An electric handbrake, 2 cup holders, and then a little compartment to store things in. If you would like any more information about this stunning Audi Q5 2.0 TDI, please give us a call here at Stafford Audi on 01785 899 424.